Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to do about factorization of this one. So for s, I will put into 5s minus s. Next, we can do about factorization by s. We can do factorization by 5. Now, we can do another factorization by s minus 1. Now, we can do about partial fractions. So I will put capital A over s minus 1, capital B over s plus 5. Now we do common denominator. So capital A multiplied by s plus 5, capital B multiplied by s minus 1. Now we need to arrange based on the term of s. So we have a plus b. About the number, we have 5a minus b. So because we don't have s in here, so a plus b equals to number 0. 5a minus b equals to number 1 because coefficient of this one, that is about number 1. So we can create about the system of equations. So a plus b equals to number 0, 5a minus b equals to number 1. And now we need to find the solution of a and b. So a equals to 1 over 6, b equals to negative 1 over 6. So we put the value of a and b gone here. So a equals to 1 over 6, b equals to negative 1 over 6. And now we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.